Bro, I'm super hungry. Same. What should we do? Bro, I'm super hungry. Let's just go look for some food. Nope, no food. All we have is just raisins again. Raisins again. We need some groceries. Wait, how about we put this football into the blender? I mean, into the microwave. Silly me. Okay. Now let's just put this. That should do it. Well. Let's wait. Okay, now the microwave's ready. A pineapple? What the? What am I doing here in this kitchen? I'm leaving. Come back, we need you. Oh my god. You're racist anyways. I cannot find anyone. Let's put both in there in the microwaves. Okay. Okay, let me wait. Baldi, it's ready. I'm starving. What the? Oh my. Bruh, why is everything turning stuff like that? Wait, I know how. Hey, Mangus. What do you need me for? Good. We need you to put you in the microwave. No, leave me alone. No, come back. You're getting in the microwave. Get. Bro, you're too fat. You need to be in there. Bro, finally, I'm starving all day. Wait, ew, is that potatoes? I hell no. No one's gonna eat those. I have an idea. I'm gonna put these on this, the figures in there. That should do it. That should do it. It's ready finally. Takis? Oh, I'm down. Yo, Takis, I'm down. Give me one. Okay, here. Oh yeah, I've been craving those. They're kind of spicy and salty actually, but I still like them. They're kind of spicy, but it's kind of good. I'm just gonna take one bite. Damn, they're super salty. But I still like them. One more. Oh, now I'm finished. Yeah, let me get one. Yeah, they're super good. I think Mom should do it, except for those Takis. Okay. Oh, wrong way. That's why. I'm back. What the? Again? Okay, kids, I'm gonna go to the basketball game. Hey, whatever you say. Wait, I know. What? This fork. Hey, yo, chill. No. We're not adding that in the microwave. It's fine. It will turn into food anyway. That's it. No. We're not adding this in the microwave. Oh, come on. I'm just gonna put it in. I swear, Willow, if you don't open it, I will. If you push the buttons up right over here, I will break you up. I promise. I'm gonna break you up. Too late. Nothing's gotta bad happen. See, nothing bad's gotta happen at least.